All right, today I have a Maserati Grecale, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, also called the overhead lights or interior lights. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and turn them off, as well as turn them so they can turn on when the door opens and turn off when it closes. And if you don't want them on at all, I'm going to show you how to turn it off to where it doesn't matter if you open or close them, they will still stay off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, let's get started. So I'm inside of the Maserati Grecale. In order to turn on and off the interior ceiling dome lights, what you're going to do is first look at the dome. All right, so I'm in the vehicle on the steering wheel, and I'm going to look at the dome. Now, once you get up here, you'll look at the dome, and you'll see that there are a series of buttons right here. Now, there's some over here that are reading lights. Now, in order to turn on and off the reading lights, what I'll do is, you see this right here? I'll press this. The reading light goes on. That's for the driver's side right here. Now, if I press this button again, the reading light goes off for the driver's side. And the same thing works for the passenger side. I press this button, it turns on, and I press it again, it turns off. So that's the reading light. Now to turn on the interior lights, all of the lights, yay, I'm going to go right here, and there is something that says on. Now this is, press that, look at it. Lights turn on for right here and in the rear. You see that? Now to turn them off, I'm going to simply come right back here, press this, turns off. And then there is the door feature, which I told you about. Now I'm going to open the door. See that? The lights did not turn on. And when I shut it, they still didn't turn on. And why is that? Because the door feature is off. Now to turn it on, I'll simply come right back here, press this, and you see that that red button is no longer there. That red button is, without being there, is indicative that the lights or the feature is now on. So now when I open the door, the lights turn on, and when I shut them, they gradually turn off, just like that. Hope this video has been helpful. Now that you know how to turn on and off the ceiling dome interior lights and the reading lights, now that you know how to do that, hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.